Hello everybody, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Chan, the Habits Doctor. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to do a simple video to share with you the unboxing of this box of goodies, this present that my wife got for me. You see, during this COVID-19 period, the supermarkets are not as well stocked as they used to be. So every time I go there, I get very frustrated with not getting some of the vegetables that I like and I want to use. So I often have to make do with whatever that they have. So I was so excited when my wife told me that she found an online vegetable store that seemed to have a very good range. So she ordered a box of fruits and vegetables. I do not know what exactly she ordered, but I think when it is this big, it's going to be interesting and I'm going to be very happy. Right, so without further ado, I'm going to share with you the present from my wife for me, this fruits and vegetable box. I was told, how much is it there? $52.50. $52.50 Singapore dollars, and that's about 30 something, 35, 37 US dollars. Okay, for all this. Ta-da! Whoa, looks interesting. Right, leafy vegetables, mushrooms, fruits. Okay, I think this is kale. Not bad. Promising start. Spinach, round spinach. 2 packets of round spinach. Let's lay them all out and see what my wife got for me for $52.50 Singapore dollars. Okay, this one is lettuce. Then we have 2 heads of broccoli. Anything else? There is we have cabbage, cauliflower, spring onions, and this one is aubergine. Whoa! Wow, this will be great. Bitter gourd. I do not know how many of you like bitter gourd, right? We didn't used to like it. Only recent years we began to love bitter gourd. You know, so I can think of making this with some black bean sauce. It'll be lovely. Yums. Okay, and this is shimeji mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms. My wife knows that I love mushrooms, so she's ordering quite a lot here. Whatever they have available in stock, right? Could have been more, I think. Right, this one is enoki mushrooms, and yeah, here napa cabbage, or they call it wompak. And this one is, wow, this I love to use it for dips. Right, this is jicama, right? Or in Singapore, the Chinese call it the mangguang. White radish or daikon. Yeah, these are good stuff. Japanese cucumber, 6 of them. Carrots and some spices here. Then we have ginger, red chili. What else? There are fruits. This is great. Pineapple. Can eat as fruits or use it for cooking. This is huge. 2 big mangoes. Tangerine. 2 pear. And last but not least, dragon fruit. My wife is there. She's too shy to come on camera. Right? I think she knows that I am quite delighted with what she has bought me. Thank you, dear. Right, and all this for $52.50 Singapore dollars, about $37 US. Right, I think maybe this will be the new norm for me. I would, other than this particular online store, I'm going to explore other online vegetable store and then try the whole range of vegetables and fruits that they have, and make them into interesting dishes at home. right? So I'm so happy. Okay, see you at the next video. Have fun.